Hi, this is Pritam. Welcome back with another video WordPress tutorial. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a professionally section in your WordPress website with the help of Elementor for free. So first install the Elementor, then you have to install another plugin that is called go in plugins and click on add new. You have to install the other plugin that is called the header and footer plugin builder. Okay, so this the Elementor kit Elementor add-ons header footer builder, so you have to install it. When it's installed, just activate. Okay, let's active. Okay, when it's active, go to your pages, go on that page, in which page you want to okay, here you see the edit with Elementor, so go that page and edit that page with Elementor where you want to add the sections. So I want to add the section in that video. Okay, in that, so I'm gonna delete this one because I don't want this. I want to add my own section. So as you download the header and footer plugin that I told you, so this will show here. Click on that, and this is the elements kit. Go in sections, and here you will find a lot of professional sections. You can also search from here according to your choice, whatever you blog post want. You want header info, team heading, whatever you want you can add. For example, I want to add first uh, this one. I just like this one is like my cover page, so I want to insert it, so I just insert it. First to just click on that, just preview. So and then as it's uploaded, you can customize. You just have to click here and you can add or edit tags, change their headings, whatever you want to do with the whatever text you want to add. You can also change their background image. Okay, so here you see a button over here. You can give them the URL. You can also change the name of this button, and you can add icon, do them in an alignment, whatever you want you can add it. So you can add more according to your choice. For example, if you want this one it's look good. Okay, let's insert it. Okay, as I insert it, as my cursor is come on here, you will see it's how it's look like. You just have to click on it, and when you click on it, go in body, and you will see some text over here. Change the text from here, change the position, go them tags, title, whatever you want to do. You if you want to add any button or something like that, you can add button, and you can add it in style. You can change their colors, their sizes, margin, padding in advance. You can also do some more border, mask, responsive, attractive, transform, motion effects. Okay, whatever you want to do, you can customize according to your choice. You can also change the picture by clicking here. When you click on here, you see a picture over here. You can change the picture according to your choice. Okay, so if you don't know how to create the picture for free, let me know in comment. I will create a video for that, how to create a free image. And if you don't see my previous video, check the video from the channel. So next one, if you want to add some more sections here, for example, you want to something like that, what services are you providing, you just have to preview and insert. Here you can see it's motion, it's already some motion effects over here. And here you see, if you want to do something, if you want to delete, you can also delete. So if you want to change their position, see this one position is changed, so you just have to drag and drop. And if you can delete also if you don't want. Okay, so and if you want to add more thing, for example, This one is something like call to action or something like that you can add. See this one, if you want to add something text and media like that, you can insert it according to your choice. So I hope now you know how to add the section, professionally section, for free with the help of Elementor. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take care.